This is Roy from Olivon Investments. You can visit us at olivon.com, AALAVON.com. For those of you on YouTube, I'll leave a link in the description below. And today we're doing in the middle of our recap to where for the month of June 2020, we're doing a challenge. We were taking $2,000 with 4 times leverage and showing what a new day trader that doesn't have a lot of money, sort of what's possible. All right, and we did not take any trades Friday, but I probably just didn't really see anything that I liked. And all right, so it's Monday now. We are on the 8th, and today this is our first red day. We actually, karma came back at me from trading coming out of that halt yesterday, and we're only down $295. So it's still it's a not bad at all considering that we had four green days in a row last week. So and the accuracy is still at 62.5%. And however, on average, I lost a little over 4.5, like 4.7% cents a share. So yeah, all right. So let's get in here and see what exactly we did. Okay, so I started. Okay, so this stock had been up from yesterday. It started out at 437, and then in the pre-market it got up to to 1946 is the high. Then it then it pulled back, and I probably shouldn't have been in this stock period with it trading under VWAP. However, and it crossed back under the 200 moving average. Well, that's of course that's just on the 1 minute. But is it oh yeah, I'm actually interested to see where we are. Well, no, I'm sure it's above it with it up there. Okay, we started out at 947. So move this over a little bit so you guys can see it. Okay, 947, got out at got in at 977. I guess it probably, what was the high of this candle? High 9, yeah, so it was probably went to first candle to make a new high here. And I guess it looks like I was sort of just trying to force trades today. So I got in that at 977 and I got out at 982. And then I got back in it at 10:04, and then I came out the next candle. I lost a penny, and so I got back in at 10:25, and wait a minute, got back in at 10:25, and I got out at 10:38. Then I got back in it at 10:30, and I got out at 10:31. And I got back in it at 10:18, and I got out at 10:27. Got back in at 10:25, and I got out at 10:29. And then that was at 10:49. I got out, and then I got back in at 10:53. And I got in at 10:52, and this just really got me. I guess 10:53 is when I got in. Let me see if I can pull this up. At 10:52, so that's where I got in, and then it just sort of flushed on me when this next candle came here. And I mean, sometimes I think it just doesn't work out like that. So it flushed down to 987 is where I stopped out. Yeah, so that was just a horrible trade there. And then I got back in at 10:01. Yes, yeah, and at 9:28, and I got it at 9:17. So yeah, just I kept thinking maybe it was going to curl back up. It didn't do it. I shouldn't have been in here. I was just I must have been bored. I probably wasn't saying anything, and I was just sitting here trying to force trades. Now you can see there isn't enough volatility. This should have been you know should have been more going on. Anyway, but yeah, so yeah, down 295 today. So yeah, yeah. So yeah, I apologize. I know it's difficult to follow me because I'm probably one of the quicker traders out there. I know some of the people that show videos. They're in it for like extended period times or more long term investors. So but, yeah, I'll try and break it down best I can. Uh, Yes, once again, this is Roy from All About Investments, and just to remind everybody, I mean, we're here to teach anybody, but for the other 90% of you that things just don't work out, or if you just don't really want to completely take up day trading, we do you know have our own stock, so we can do this for you, just to let you know. All right, so this is Roy with All About Investments. Thank you.